Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Cadillac Escalade headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet with appropriate sockets and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly. Next, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight unit. This prevents any electrical issues during the removal process. Now, let's move on to detaching the assembly. You'll need to remove any retaining clips or screws that hold the headlight in place. These are typically found around the edges of the assembly. Once all fasteners are removed, carefully pull the old headlight unit straight out from its mounting points. Be gentle to avoid scratching your vehicle's paint. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any debris or damage before proceeding. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new headlight. Carefully align the new headlight assembly with the mounting points in your Escalade. Gently push the new unit firmly into place until it seats correctly and feels secure. Once it's properly seated, reattach all the retaining clips and screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened down securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight assembly. Ensure it clicks firmly into place for a secure connection. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it functions properly, including high and low beams. This confirms your installation was successful. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.